Hello guys, welcome to CBSE and State Board Study Circle YouTube channel. Today we will discuss 5th standard English subject Santo titles unit number 1 in that second part Gone with the Scooter exercises. Let's see first the new words dribble, wrestling, grab, boast, unaware, third. Okay, so let us think first one. Answer the following questions. In that first question, what was Gopi doing on the veranda? Answer, Gopi was sitting in the veranda reading a book. Second question, what sound did Gopi hear before he went to the garden? Answer, Gopi heard a rustling sound past him and something falling with a thud in the garden. Next, question number 3. Describe Gopi's search for the ball. Answer, Gopi ran into the garden and searched in between the thick grass near the garden fence. He then looked among the bushes but found nothing. Finally, his eyes fall on a heap of dry leaves where he found a white hockey ball. Next, fourth one. Complete the table given below. In that serial number, first dialogue. The dialogue was said by, the dialogue was said to. Okay. The first dialogue is what the ball I found is a hockey ball. Who said this dialogue? Of course, Gopi said this dialogue. To whom he said? Deepak, or we can say to the friends. Second, B. My father bought me a brand new football. Who said this? Deepak. To whom? To Gopi or to friends? Because they were standing there only, no, all the friends. Huh. C. I lost my ball 4 months ago. Who said this? Manoj. To whom? To Gopi or to or friends. Next, D. Show me the ball and I will tell you. Who said this? Ramani said this. To whom she said? To Gopi she said. Question number 5. Who grabbed the ball from Gopi? How did the game start? Manoj grabbed the ball from Gopi pocket and tossed it over the Deepak. The game started after Gopi stopped them from arguing and suggested they play before it got dark. Manoj went to the goal post to be the goalkeeper. Gopi stood at the center of the field holding his hockey stick and passed the ball to Deepak. So, like this, what happened? The game started. Okay. Question number 6. Why did everyone laugh at the end of the story? Answer, everyone laughed because Jay hit the ball so hard that it flew past the playground gate and landed right inside the carrier basket of a passing scooter. The scooterist drove away completely unaware, taking the ball with him. Next, B. Think and answer. What would you have gone if, like Gopi, you had found a ball that did not belong to you? Second one, imagine what happens to the hockey ball after it is taken away by the scooter. Where does it go? Who finds it? Third one, notice that the scooterist is wearing a helmet. Why is it important to wear a helmet? Should the A pillion rider also wear a helmet? So just think and answer the comment me. Then next, let us learn. Match the following. One side the words and second time the second sides then meaning is that okay. We already read na the new words. That only. The dribble. Answer. Moving a ball with small taps while playing hockey. Boast. To speak too proudly. Buster. A soft crackling sound. Grab. Take something with a sudden movement. Next, B. Complete the following story using the words given in the box. So, what are the words? Since, however, because, and when. So, let us use these words and complete the story. Gopi completed his work. Dash, he wanted to go outside and play. Because Gopi completed his work because he wanted to go outside and play. Dash, when he reached the playground, nobody was there. However, when he reached the playground, nobody was there. Dash, his friends were at the to join him. Answer, since. Since his friends were at to join him, he decided to take a walk. After 15 minutes, five of them came and everyone started to discuss the games. They decided to play hopscotch. Dash, they got to know that Ramani would not be joining them. Answer, when. They decided to play hopscotch. When they got to know that Ramani would not be joining them and she is not ready to play with them. Okay. Read the following sentence. Gopi usually plays hockey at school, but today he is studying for his test. The adverb usually tells us that an action happens many times. This sentence tells us that the action of playing hockey happens most of the time. The adverb today tells us the time of the action, means studying. Okay, yeah. Now encircle the adverbs in the following sentences. How many times the action happens or happened? Okay, time of the action. Gopi immediately get up and ran into the gardens. Immediately. Okay, B. Sham often written in her diary. Often. All his friends regularly gathered to play hockey. And answer is regularly. Okay. I always completes my homework. Answer is always. Okay. Next. Yesterday, I ate an ice cream after lunch. So, yesterday, Monica never eats junk food. Answer, never. Okay, when it happened? Never it happened. Now, last one. Now, they are going to sing their favorite song. So, when they are going to sing, now they are going to sing. Okay, yeah. Next, let us listen. In that A, listen to your teacher, follow the instructions, and draw accordingly to the space provided. Okay, first one, draw a few big dry leaves at the center with no gap between the leaves. Draw a ball in the middle of the leaves. Draw a few twigs here and there. Color the leaves yellow and brown. Color the twigs brown. Now you have found the ball. So the picture must be like this. See here, the leaves are there. Okay, and next the twigs are there here and there, and in between that now the ball is there. So can you find it easily? Yes, students, we can find it very easily. Okay, so according to these instructions, this is the picture. Next, let us speak. In that A, the teacher starts a story with one sentence. Each student adds a sentence to continue the story. Example, teacher, once upon a time, a boy found a magic key. So she started with the sentence. So the students, one, he continued. The key opened a door to a secret garden. In the second students, in the garden, he saw a talking rabbit. Okay, it continues like that one. You just go on adding your sentences. Okay, then next B1. The little of this textbook is the title of this textbook is Santur. Say word book. Next, say the word Santur. Do you notice the difference? Although both the words have double O in them. Okay, the sound of O in book is short. The sound of O in Santur is long. Santur, you say no, Santur. Huh. Say loud the following words, encircle the word which have a long O sound. First one hood, second one school. See here, school, ooh, long we will take. So circle that school. Third one foot, maroon. Maroon? No, maroon. So circle the maroon. Third one, scooter. Shook. Shook, we will say no. Shook, it is shook. Scooter? No, scooter. So scooter. It's a long sound. For O. Seventh one, bloom. Food. Bloom. Ninth one, look. Tenth one, moon. So among these two, moon. Correct. Moon is the. Then next, book. No, it is short form. 12th one, took. It is also the short sound. Okay. Hood, short sound. School, long sound. Foot, short sound. Maroon, long sound. Fifth one, scooter. Of course, it is a long sound. Shook, sixth one, it is a short sound. Seventh one, bloom, long sound. Eighth one, food, it is also a long sound. Then look, short sound. Moon, long sound. Book and took, both are the short sounds. Okay. Then next, let us write. By the time the children ran to the gate, the scooter was gone, and so was the ball. They looked at each other and burst into laughter. Write a possible conversation between Gopi and his friends after this incident. Gopi, oh, our ball. Ramani, let's run fast and get the ball. Deepak, the scooter is too fast. Manoj, we can't catch it. Jay, I think ball want to have a ride. Yes, so this is a possible conversation. You can write any conversation, but it is related to that scooter, ball, and all. Okay, yeah. Then the B. From new words by following the examples given below. Okay, form the new words. See, sun, rise, sunset, sunshine, sunflower. One another side ball is there, and we need to add all the words. Ball base? No, it is baseball, football, basketball, volleyball. Okay, it is be like this. Yes. So here the first one, sun we will add. Sun plus rise, sunrise. Sun plus set, sunset. Sun plus shine, sunshine. Sun plus flower, sunflower. Second, ball. First we need to add the first word. Base plus, one they have already given. Foot plus ball, football. Base plus ball, baseball. Basket plus ball, basketball. Volley plus ball, volleyball. Next, write a sentence using each of these words in your notebook. Answer, sunrise first we will take. We have to get up before sunrise. Second one, sunset. Birds move towards their nests during sunset. Third one, a sunshine. Sunshine gives us vitamin D. Fourth one, sunflower. Sunflower moves as per the direction of the sun. So we used and we made the sentences. Next, fifth one, football. Many people like football game. Sixth one, baseball. The boy caught the baseball with his gloves. Seventh one, basketball. Basketball is played indoor as well as outdoor. Eighth one, volleyball. A volleyball team is consisting of 6 players. Got it? Next. See, you have already noticed that the word scooter has OO in the middle. Using the clues given below, write 10 words that have AI in the middle. Once one has been done for you. First one, the clue is there and the word. Okay, both they have only given to us. Okay, first one, something that has 4 legs on which you generally sit. Chair. Second one, water that falls from the clouds. Rain. Third one, a vehicle that runs on a tracks. Train. Fourth one, you use this in color your wall or pictures. Paint. Fifth one, the part of the body that helps to think. Brain. Correct? Yeah. Next, sixth one, a slow moving creature with a shell. Snail. Seventh one, letters and packages you send to receive. Mail. Eighth one, the movements of boats on water. Sail. Ninth one, all animals have them long or a short tail. Tenth one, steps that takes us from floor to another state. So here in all these 10 words, one each word contains AI in the middle. Okay? Yeah. Next, let us explore. Wow. In A, chalo. Prepare a chart with the following. Okay. Categories. Serial number is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Name of the game. Kabaddi. One has done for us. Huh? So in the first column, it is serial number. Second, name of the game. Third one, we need to find it whether it is outdoor or indoor. Next, players needed, what they needed, and then equipment needed. Okay. Yeah. So the first one is Kabaddi. It is outdoor or indoor? Outdoor game. What it needs? It needs a team. Equipment any needed? No. Second one, chess. It is indoor game. Only 2 players are needed, not a team. What it needed? It needed a chess board and the pieces for playing. Third one, football. It is outdoor game. Need a team to play. And what it needs a football and a goal post. Okay. Fourth one, badminton. Of course, it is indoor game. 2 to 4 members are needed for playing of a badminton. What it required? Huh? What it required? Racket, shuttlecock, and net. Okay. These are the requirements. Then next fifth one. Cricket, outdoor game. A team is needed. Yes, of course, bat, ball, wickets, and the pads. Okay. Then sixth one. Table tennis, indoor game. 2 to 4 members are needed. What it needed? TT means tennis table. Okay. Then paddles, then ball and a net. Seventh one. Basketball. Indoor, sometimes we can play the basketball inside also, and sometimes we can play the basketball outside also. So it considers indoor game as well as the outdoor game. Team is required, basketball is required, then hoop is required, net is required. Eighth one, carom. Of course, it is indoor game. 2 to 4 members are required, and carom board is required, coins are required, and striker is required. Next, hockey. Outdoor game, team is required, hockey stick, ball, and goal posts are required. The equipments required to play the games. Next, 10th one, last game. Ludo is okay. Indoor or outdoor? Indoor game. How many players or team we needed? 2 to 4 players. Then what we needed? Of course, the Ludo board, dice, and the counters. Okay? Yes. Then next B. Write a mind biography about a famous sports person of your choice. You may use the following bird. What a hints? Sorry. First one. Name of the sports person. Name of the sports the person is famous for. When and where the person was born. List once or two achievements of that person. Why the person is famous or inspiring the others. Okay? Yes. C. Find out about a famous hockey player and talk about them. Answer. Major Dhyanchand is widely regarded as the greatest player in the history of the sport. He was world famous for his extraordinary ball control and dazzling dribbling skills. His, he scored more than he scored more than 400 goals. To honor his incredible legacy, his birthday on August 29 is celebrated every year as National Sports Day across the India. Okay, so these are the exercises of water gone with the scooter. Okay, so thanks for watching this video till the end. Please like, share, and please subscribe the channel CBSE and State Board Study Circle to watch the upcoming videos. Okay guys, thank you.